if there's not enough volume on your Samsung phone, so here are some ways of increasing it. So first of all, let's open up our settings, then let's find our sound and vibration tab. Here it is. Now in our sound and vibration tab, let's find our sound quality and effects tab. Here they are. So press allow. Now here let's enable Dolby Atmos. You can find some settings like music, voice, movie, auto. I recommend setting it on auto, and this will automatically improve sound quality and volume. Now let's go back and let's open up our equalizer. So here in our equalizer, I recommend to set like a balanced or maybe dynamic preset, because this will boost our volume and it will improve our sound quality. However, yeah, let's leave it on dynamic. It will be good. The next thing is to check your media volume limit setting. To do that, go back. Now find your volume tab. Here at the top right corner, locate these three dots and make sure that it's turned off. Because otherwise, of course, you can set it like 200 decibels, but your volume will be much louder without any limits. So if the sound is still not enough, check your device speakers. So the one speaker is here. Also, you have the speaker right here at the bottom of your screen. So yeah, clear them out. Make sure that not blocked by dust. Simply use a toothbrush or some kind of cleaning tool to clean them out. Or we can set a third-party app. So open up your Play Store, find your search tab, open up your search bar, and here find your good app volume booster, for example. Here it is, press install, give it a couple seconds to be installed. Now you gotta press open, press allow, press consent, so you can boost your volume, easy as that. However, so here's your switch, you can boost it. When you want to disable, simply press stop service, right? However, be cautious not to turn the volume all the way up, because your phone may be not designed for the maximum sound. And also be sure and be careful when you're using such as to avoid damaging the speakers of your hearing aids. And basically that's it. When you're satisfied, simply press stop service. And I hope this video is helpful. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great day, and please consider subscribing to our channel.